Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 2026 how to create a simple house. So for the first I will create the rectangle, and the next you can use the pull tools to convert into 3D. Okay, use the offset command to offset in the top face. So I will create wall again with these pull tools and then move to the top here. The next, you can go to the front view like this, and then use the line tools. We create line from the middle point to blue axis. So we create for the roof. Okay, basic roof. Again from this point into here. And then you can select the middle line and press delete button. After it, you use the pull tools to create to the endpoint here. You can click to apply. The next, you can triple click and then right click, make a group. And the next, to create roof, I will use the line again. Okay, from these top points, move into here. Okay, click again, and then move to the top point. So like this, as the example. And we create again from these points. Okay, click here. You can choose in the right axis, so you can zoom again until you see the point here. Click and then move into these points to the top here, and we create again the line from these points. Click into the line here. You can select the line object and then press delete buttons also in this point. After it, you can use the pull tools to extrude the objects, and then from this point to the top here. So, and to create like for the door and window, okay, you can double click in this object. Okay, I will select up this line, and you can press delete button to delete. Now use the rectangle tools to create at this face and also at this point. Okay, use the pull tools to create holes. You can select at this face, click here, release to create holes, click again, hold, and then release to create hole. After it, you'll pull again to locate the door. Okay, I will click here to the bottom and then move to the left. Also, at this face, move into here. Okay, for the window, click again into this point. And in the top here, you can select at the top face. And then click into this endpoint. Click outside to apply. And the next, use the rectangle tools to create rectangle from this point to the bottom here. And use pull tools to convert into 3D to this endpoint. You can triple click again, right click, and then choose the make group. To rotate the object, you can use the rotation tool. Okay, press Control button, hold to lock the axis, and then click in the bottom here. Move into here, and then we can rotate the door object. Okay, the next for the window, okay, we'll draw again with the rectangle tool. And use the extrude tools, pull to extrude the object. Okay, you can see here, select this face and then extrude like into this point. After it, you can offset and then use pull tools to create hole. Okay, like this. And now you can create again the rectangle. Okay, from this point to here, and then use the move tools to move the object here. But first we need to make group at this frame, and after it, create the rectangle, and we can move the rectangle object to inside a bit. Okay, you can select the rectangle, moving tools, click, and then move into this point. Now to set for the material, you can go to the material tools. Like example, I will select the roof, make roof first, and then go to the material option, roofings. Like you can set this option, you can click on the objects to apply. Okay, to edit the texture, you can go to edit tools, and like I will set into 500, it will be more bigger for the texture. Or you can set into 700, like this. Okay, for the walls, go back again to select tab, choose your materials like we use for the brick. Okay, I will use this option brick, select the objects to apply. Okay, inside here I will use like for the fabric, or we can use the wood again. For the floor, you can double click on the object, select the face, use the wood, and select inside to create the material. Okay, after it, for the door, I will use these materials, and also for the frames with this material. Last, for the plain objects, use the glass. Okay, choose your options. I will use this option and apply to the object. So that's it for the basic SketchUp 2026, how to create a simple house.